My name is Melvin Flores, and this is for CSC 315 RoboEthics. This is for the line tracking robot. Professor, as I told you, I've assembled it and disassembled it many times. And this is my results as I turn it on. The bro follows the line up to a point that keeps going straight. And I'm gonna put it back on the line. Sometimes it picks it up and turns, but most of the time it doesn't. So, maybe again. Not doing it this time. I'll try and do it again. Oh, a little bit. As you can see in the bottom, the sensors are there. I don't know what else to do. Well, thank you, Professor.